Is your photo too noisy? Use denoise to make it clear and smooth. I will show you how to do that easily with PhotoDirector. Open the app, tap Edit, choose the image you would like to work with, then click Enhance, and after that use denoise. Okay, and here you can adjust with the slider. I will maximize it and wait for a few seconds until it's done. So really you just have to wait a few seconds and then your photo will be perfect. Yes, finally, here's our masterpiece. Click on the check mark and save your image. Thank you for your kind attention.